SongCat Hiro 歌猫ヒロの映画で英語 English in Film 燃えよドラゴンよりブルース・リーの言葉 Bruce Lee's words from Enter the Dragon
Mr. Roper, don't con me.
ブルース・リーの燃えよドラゴンからリーが登場する10のシーンを選びました。I have selected 10 scenes featuring Bruce Lee from Enter the Dragon. ブルース・リーはこの映画に自身の武道哲学を多く盛り込んだと言われていますが、It is said that Bruce Lee incorporated much of his martial arts philosophy into this film. そのセリフから彼の考えを読み取り、英語も勉強してみましょう。Let's read his thoughts from his lines and also study English. Scene 1. 師との会話 Conversation with the teacher.
What is the highest technique you hope to achieve?
To have no technique.
Very good. What are your thoughts when facing an opponent?
There is no opponent. Because the word I does not exist. When the opponent expands, I contract. When he contracts, I expand. And when there is an opportunity, I do not hit. It hits all by itself.
Scene 2. 弟子ラオの時間 Apprentice Lao's time.
What was that? An exhibition? We need emotional content. Don't think. Feel. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory. Never take your eyes off your opponent, even when you bow. That's it.
Scene 3. リーの使命 Lee's mission.
We want you to go in there as our agent. Get us our evidence.
And come out in one piece to give it to you.
We'll give you anything you need. Electronic equipment, weapons, anything. Drink?
No thanks. Guns! Now why doesn't somebody pull off 45 and bang, settle it?
No, no guns.
I guess I won't need anything.
Scene 4. 母と妹の墓前で To mother and sister in grave.
You will not agree with what I am going to do. It is contrary to all that you have taught me. And all that Sulin believed. I must leave. Please try to find a way to forgive me.
Scene 5. 戦場の戦い Fight on the boat.
What we got here? A little action. Insects. Okay, I'll lay you $50 on the big one. $50 on the big one, all right?
I'll give you 5 to 1.
Would you bet 100? You're on.
Scene 6. 戦わずして戦う Fighting without fighting.
Do I bother you?
Don't waste yourself.
What's your style?
My style? You can call it the art of fighting without fighting.
The art of fighting without fighting? Show me some of it.
Later.
Scene 7. 女性諜報員メイ・リン Female Operative メイ・レン
I want to talk to you, Mei Ling. Have you seen anything?
Nothing much. I'm kept in a palace, watched always.
Scene 8. オハラとの出会い Encounter with Ohara.
You must attend the morning ritual in uniform.
Outside.
Scene 9. オハラの挑発 Ohara's Provocation.
Oh, don't hit back.
Scene 10 ハンとの対決 The Battle with Han.
You have offended my family, and you have offended the Shaolin Temple.